Welcome back to another episode of Gourmet Microwave Cooking with your host, the professional microwave chef. That's me. Today we're going to be making microwave pizza. Now, this isn't going to be like any pizza you've ever had before because New York messed up pizza for America. This pizza we're going to be making today is going to be an authentic Italian pizza. It's a very simple recipe. You just need bread. It can be whatever you want. You can use a bagel if you want. Just don't use that pizza dough. That's just Americanized crap, full of unhealthy stuff. Next you want some sauce from Sauce Incorporated. It's made with real sauce. And some shredded cheese. Now the first step is to put your sauce on the bread. Alright. Put a nice, good amount. I think that's good. Delicious. Next, you just want to put the cheese on. Just feel free to put as much as you want. That's all there is to the preparation. Now the final step is just to put it in the microwave and heat it up. I had to heat it up for a little longer than 20 seconds so it would get all melted and delicious looking like it is now. Now if you want, you can cut it up into little pieces like I am going to do. Like little slices of a pizza, because it is a pizza. A real, genuine, authentic pizza. You can even cut it up into tiny little triangles. I'm going to let you all get a good look at it. Now for the tasting. It's very hot. I think I need... I'll let it cool down for a sec. Mmm. 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 11 out of 10.